Hello students, welcome to my channel. Myself Gladstone Dhanpal and welcome to Gyanodaya online classes. Today I am going to teach class 9th why do we fall ill. This is the third chapter and it is present in the last of your textbook. Okay, one of the very simple chapter but important chapter. Okay, so this is the third chapter of your biology portion. So class 9th, take down your notes and try to understand this topic. So first of all, this is not a statement, it is a question. Why do we fall ill? What is the reason that we are ill? Ill means what? Ill means having a disease. Okay, that is simply we are taking you are also telling that not feeling well. This is a simple thing. Ill means we are not feeling well. What we are telling in Hindi, बीमार. Okay, so this is a question. Why do we fall ill? What is the reason behind that? Everyone is telling why we are feeling ill. Okay, ill you understood, that is not feeling well. How we are not feeling well? Headache, vomiting, overeating, acidity, hand pain, leg pain, eyes are paining. These all things, whatever we are going through, these all are the symptoms of ill. Okay, that means we are not well. So what is this happening? So in our day-to-day life, all our cells, they are making up tissues are making up organs are making up system, and system are making a body. So all this is done. So in our day-to-day life, basically we will go to the cellular level. Every cell of our body are working. Yes or no? Restlessly, every cell of our body are working properly. Day and night they are working. Okay. Now some cells are getting dead, some are dead, or some are living. Now which all are dead or are going to be dead? Okay, which all are dying or which are going to die, then it is called, or they will create a disease. Okay, in my point of view, not in your point of view, in my point of view, when our cells are getting tired or when they are going to be dead, then we are somewhat feeling ill. Okay, but according to science, there is different thing. Okay, so our day-to-day life is busy with all the activities. Similarly, cells, tissues, organs, they are also working. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about health, diseases, how many types of diseases, what are they, and what all are their symptoms, etc., and which causatory effects are there. Everything we will be studying in this chapter. So this is the introduction. Now the next is I will be starting with my topic. So I think you all are understanding about it. So the first subtopic that we are going to discuss is health. Okay, health. What is health? Okay, when you can tell that anybody is healthy? In your, I think most of you may say or may note that who is looking very nice, very cute or very stylish, then they are healthy. Maybe from outside they are stylish, maybe from outside they are looking healthy, but from inside who knows? Okay, so healthy does not means that anyone is looking fair or anyone is fat or anyone is that bodybuilder type. That is not called healthy. What is healthy? In the point of view of science, you can write here sorry, in the point of view of science, you can write down health is the state of being well. Health is the state of being well enough to perform physically, mentally, and socially. Health is the state of being well enough to perform physically, mentally, and socially. So well enough means it is saying that from all the direction, physically also by body, mentally by brain, and socially when we are connecting among the individuals, or when we are at home, we are interacting with our friends, or we are interacting with our parents. Okay, all these things, they go under socially. Now what is health? Health is the state of being well enough to perform physically, mentally, and socially. Physically, you know that everyone is physical in nature, so everyone has to work, or everyone has to do all the activities, so this comes under physical. Mentally, everyone is working from brain, all the mind coordination is there, so that is done mentally. Socially, we are interacting with a group of people, we are living in a society, so therefore social connection is also there. So this is all about health. Now, health depends upon two factors. Health depends on two factors: personal and community issue. Personal issue means, first we will talk about personal issue. Personal issue means, what is a good hygiene? Bathing regularly, having good food, doing exercise. All these things comes under etc. These comes under personal hygiene. Okay, cleaning ourselves, then studying properly, working properly, physically we are active, then all these things are going through this personal hygiene. Now if we are not able to maintain this personal hygiene, our body, we are unable to maintain ourselves, like we are not brushing the teeth regularly, okay, we are not bathing daily. Nowadays lockdown is there, all are at home, getting up at 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, even some are at 11 o'clock, all night playing PUBG. These are affecting our health. So these are the personal issues. What are these called? They are personal issues. Personal duties are not maintained, then they are called personal issues. Now what is community issue? Communal hygiene, like drainage is clean or not, okay, lights are there or not, then plants are there, you are watering or not, water is coming regularly. These all things, they go under communal hygiene. Communal hygiene or community hygiene. cleanliness and sanitization, or cleaning the surrounding, drainage, good water system, these all are etc. These all are the work of community. So if they will not maintain these works, then it affects our health. So it comes under community issues. So I think everybody has understood what are community issues. Then the next is, what is the require of this? Personal hygiene, we know that it is good for our health. Community hygiene, what it will do? It will create harmony. What it will create? Harmony. Harmony and unity. Harmony and unity in our environment means all will be peace lover. All will have a peace among themselves. No type of disturbance will be there. Unity will be there within everyone. So this is the work of community. Okay. So the next topic is, what is the difference between healthy and disease free? So my next topic is healthy and disease free. Differentiate between healthy and disease free. Okay, what is a disease? Disease means unhealthy situation of body. First write down, disease means unhealthy situation of body. Okay, unhealthy situation of body is called as disease. So what is the difference between healthy and disease free? So when you are attacked by a disease, then it is changing whole your body. Disease free means you are away from the disease. Disease free means away from the disease. And healthy means completely well. So in these two cases, disease free means away from disease, okay, or disease is not attacked, you can write here, or disease has not attacked or not occurred. Okay, disease free means away from disease or disease has not attacked, and healthy means completely well. In these two cases, you have to note it that healthy means your disease will not come back again in the body. If you are healthy, that means your disease will not come back again. Disease free means any type of disease can attack you. You are just free for some time. Okay, for example, like you are having your own dresses, yes or no, on body, on dresses, on earrings, on spectacles, everything your own personal one. The same thing you are having, your parents are having phone. If at home one phone will be there, then anybody is coming and using that, so that will come under disease free. That means anybody can come and go. It is not completely yours, not personal. Okay, and here healthy means whatever your is there, that is only yours, only you will be taking care of it and only you will wear that. So understood these two things? Then next is, how does a disease look like? So a very small topic these are, no more explanation is needed, just a small topic. Next is disease, as in disease and its causes. Okay, first is, how does it look like? How does a disease looks like? So nowadays corona is there. So how is this corona looking? Then you will tell, sir, it is looking like a round shape, some like this structures are there. You will tell me like this, but this is the microbe or that agent what that corona is having. Okay, but what is the, in a human being, how it is looking? You may tell, sir, that person is coughing or breathing problem is there. That is symptom. How that disease is looking? Disease is not looking anytime. It is having its symptoms. What is disease is having? Symptoms. Okay. And basing on that symptoms, we are able to locate, or we are able to find what type of diseases are there. So for like corona, in corona, what are the symptoms? Headache will be there, fever will be there, coughing regularly will be there, breathing problem will be there. Okay, so many things are there that corona is having. So these all are the symptoms. What are these? The symptoms of a disease. So basing on these symptoms, we are able to identify what type of disease it is. Okay, basing on that, the physician or the doctors, they give medicine. Okay, so this is all about your diseases and its causes. Now we will talk under it, we will talk how many types of diseases are there. The diseases are of types of diseases. The first type, then we will talk about different types. Okay, so first type of disease is acute disease, and the second is chronic disease. Acute disease means the disease that occur for a short period of time, like common cold. Example, common cold means sardi khasi. Okay, so this common cold, it actually takes between 2-3 days or even 1 week, etc., but not more than that. So this is called a acute disease. Okay, now the next is chronic disease, which continues for a longer period of time. This disease is there which is there for a longer period of time, like diabetes. Okay, like diabetes is there. So this diabetes means sugar problem, or those who are having diabetes problem, you know this one, I think. So diabetes, it is a longer time, means it is not ending, it is a longer time. This disease, it takes for a long period of time. So this is a chronic disease and this is the acute disease, an acute disease and chronic disease. Next is how they are on their traveling or on their spreading. They are classified into two types. So write down, on spreading of disease, it is of two types. One is your infectious disease, and second is your non-infectious diseases. In your earlier classes, when you were small, you used to write this one as communicable and non-communicable. Okay, so what are communicable diseases? Which will spread from one person to another person on touching, on coughing. Okay, when we are touching the body. Okay, this is the communicable disease. Next is, what is non-communicable or non-infectious disease? That will not spread by means of any vector or any pathogen. It will not spread, it will occur by itself only. So that is a non-communicable disease. Common cold, it is a communicable disease. How? When your friend is sitting beside you and he or she is coughing or suffering from common cold, after 2-3 days you will also get the same, by touching or by hearing or not hearing, by eating together or whatever. Okay, so this is a very common thing, communicable disease. So this is a communicable disease, and non-communicable disease means which you will not get like that, like this diabetes you will not get. Now you may ask, sir, then corona comes under communicable disease? Yes, corona comes under communicable disease. So let it be for today. In my next period, I'll tell what are the different agents, means of spread, organic specific and tissue specific manifestation, and everything else. Till then, write down the notes up to this. In my next video, I'll be making you understand about the remaining topic. And what all your doubts are there, please message me. And even if you like the video, just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share to your friends this video, so that they will also get some knowledge. And also, whatever I taught here, make it the notes and write it regularly. Don't waste your time in this lockdown situation. After coming to the school, I'll check that one. Okay, and whenever you are making the notes, please mention the date. I am not mentioning here because of some issues, but please maintain the dates. Okay, so let it be for this. In my next video, I'll be making you understand about the remaining topic. Thank you.